Wachirabebjathat Park, known as the Train Park, is a hidden gem in Bangkok. With its unique decommissioned train track, it offers a one-of-a-kind experience. Whether you're into jogging, cycling, or leisurely walks, the park's green spaces have you covered. It's ideal for picnics, bird watching, and spotting turtles in the small lake. Conveniently located near public transportation, it provides an affordable escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Plus, you can savor delicious local snacks at the entrance. In a city filled with attractions, this park stands out as a tranquil and picturesque spot you shouldn't miss.